How to fix your Grindr account banned in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. Well, there are a couple of reasons why you generally get banned in Grindr. You can simply pause the video and check this out. The other way you can simply go ahead and solve the problem is going to be firstly reading the ban message carefully to understand the reason. There is normally going to be a contact support tab, but all you need to do is simply go ahead and review your community guidelines, go to Grindr's guidelines and make sure that you understand the rules. When you simply click on the contact support tab, you can simply go ahead and select account ban appeal and then simply put in your description and submit it. Then Grindr will reply via email. Check your inbox and spam folders, and you can simply go ahead and remove if any content violated rules, remove it and avoid it in future. If that doesn't work, you can simply go ahead and try uninstalling and reinstalling your Grindr application. I hope this video clarifies everything